Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rifati Hanifa, student registration number 229034. I'm from class A. In here, I want to introduce both traditional clothes from Palembang. Palembang is the capital of South Sumatra province with the second largest area on the island of Sumatra. Palembang has a long history that gave birth to many cultures and customs. This city, which is famous for its Ampera Bridge, once had the status of being the capital of the large Buddhist kingdom in Southeast Asia. Palembang traditional clothing is one of the many traditional clothes that Indonesia is proud of. He has a philosophy and has quite deep meaning for life. One of the traditional clothes from South Sumatra is usually worn in traditional wedding ceremonies. The dominant color in typical Palembang traditional clothing are red and gold. These two colors also have their own teaching, hopes, and philosophy. When wearing these traditional clothes, the bride and groom must also wear several other elements or accessories that are equally meaningful. Palembang traditional clothing is divided into two types, namely Ayasan Gede and Ayasan Paksangku. Ayasan in Palembang language means clothes. If interpreted simple, Ayasan Gede means big clothes, namely clothes that symbolize greatness. The greatness refers to the greatness of the name of the Sriwijaya kingdom of that time. As the great clothing of the Sriwijaya kingdom, Ayasan Gede also has the philosophy of Swarnadwipa, which means Golden Island. The reason is Ayasan Gede is made with accent in the form of gold embroidery on almost of part. The accessories used when wearing Ayasan Gede add to the impression that this shirt is indeed a magnificent and luxurious oversized shirt, such as songket, crown, bunga cempaka, kembang goyang, kelabu standard, and dotted clothes. The Ayasan Gede element for the bride are separated into several parts, namely the leg, body, hands, and head. For the hand and feet, the bride must wear rhombus-shaped leather shoulder bracelet with jasmine flower decoration in the middle. Cemburu bracelet, which are round and flat, are made of brass or gold plate. The round shape of the Ulo Petabo bracelet is equipped with a gold snake ornament. Gepeng bracelets, which are thin round in shape, are decorated with flower and plain. To the body, the bride must wear taratai, namely is breast covering, and the Kepu Munggah necklace. The necklace with a buffalo head ornament consists of 3 layers. Don't forget to wear songket lepus, which is a type of cloth woven using gold thread and has a tumpak pattern. The bride head is decorated with bunga rampai, which is an ornament in the form of a cempaka flower with a strand made of gold. Then there is gandik, or like a headband whose material is specifically made from velvet cloth. At top of the gandik is decorated with jasmine flower. The malang bun is shaped like a bun complete with a garland of jasmine and rose. There is another tepeng malu, which is worn next to the bride hair. Tepeng malu is usually round and colorful. Lastly, the bride must wear a crown decorated with jasmine with a gemstone in the middle called kasuhun, Don't forget that he also has to wear the lapus tandan, a triangular gold ornament decorated with flower and stem. Aisam Paksangku. Aisam Paksangku as a counterpart of the greatness of Aisan Gede emphasizes splendor in limitation in every state and motif. Aisam Paksangku is traditional clothing that reflects luxury and elegance. The name Paksangku itself contains a meaning that implies the impression of being close or protective. One of the characteristics of Aisam Paksangku is the close clothing. The bride and groom both wore long-sleeved shirts, creating a close but still elegant impression. This reflects the cultural and traditional richness of Palembang, which placed the value of modesty and elegance at the forefront. In the groom's attire, Sikh tozer with a ukal motif were one of the pieces that stole the attention. These tozer are combined with gold lepus songket cloth wrapped around the waist, creating a look rich in detail. Through Aisam Paksangku, the people of Palembang perpetuate the value of splendor, luxury, and elegance in their traditional clothing. This clothing is a symbol of a wedding that is decorated with rich culture and tradition. That's all my introduction to traditional clothing from Palembang, and thank you for your attention. Bye.